Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Namra and I am here with another vlog with some interesting recipes and yes, a sneak peek to my daily routine. So I started off my day with preparing my kids' lunch. I am making some cold sandwiches. For that, I have boiled 2 eggs and peeled them off, and now I am going to separate the yolks from the white and mash the yolk. After mashing the yolks, I'm going to add some mayo and little bit of salt and pepper. You can avoid adding salt because mayonnaise already has the salt in it. Now I'm going to mix them together. I have boiled carrot and cut it into small pieces, and I also have the cabbage. I'm avoiding adding chicken because my son doesn't like chicken or any kind of meat. So I'm making these veggies cold sandwiches and they taste really great and they're healthy as well. Now here comes the bread. So I am going to make these sandwiches and then put them in their lunch boxes. Mostly the time is really short in the morning. Kids have to get dressed and I have to make their lunch boxes, their breakfast. And if they are really picky eater, then you have to push them again and again to eat and finish their breakfast. Otherwise, they are going to get late. In winter, especially at night when you are warm in your bed, cozy nights, it's really difficult for anyone to get out of the bed. And same happens every day, every morning with the kids and ourselves as well. I push myself to wake up, and then waking up my kids and husband, oh, it's really a big task every day. The sandwiches are ready. I'm going to slice them in half and then I am going to get their lunch boxes ready. So here I have their lunch boxes and I'm going to put these inside them, and then I am going to put the fruits they are going to take. And now it's time for my husband's breakfast. The kids have already done their breakfast and I'm making a paratha for my husband. Most of the time he eats paratha with omelette or whatever salad I have cooked the previous night. So yesterday I cooked spinach with some potatoes. I have given him the paratha with that. They all leave almost at the same time. Sometimes I drop off the kids and sometimes he drop off the kids. So today he is going to drop the kids at the schools. After his breakfast, the kids' bags are ready and they are going to leave for the school. And after that, finally, it's my turn to have the breakfast. I'm going to eat some waffle. Mostly I make waffle at home in the waffle machine, but I am going to eat these ready-made, the store-bought waffles, and then I am going to add some blueberries and strawberries and then sprinkled some vanilla sugar on it, and they taste really great together. The combination of sweet and savor with strawberry and blueberry makes them really delicious, and I really enjoyed them. I'm done with my breakfast, so it's my turn to become a mussy at home and start cleaning. I started cleaning, mopping the floor, and then washed all the dirty dishes. And afterwards, I also picked up all the toys. And I was wondering that how come the sun is so great at this time. Look, even the rays are coming inside. So it's time for me to pick up my son from school. I went there, and yes, here is the surprise I was already waiting for. How come that the weather is not bad, right? It started raining again. It's Netherlands. It always rains here in the winter. Like, we want rain in the summer. Come on, why don't you come in the summer? While I was coming back home, I also did a little bit of grocery and bought some fruits. Here I'm going to show you what I bought. The kids are home already, and I'm going to make some snacks for them so that they can have their lunch. So these are the leftover bread sides which I use for their lunch boxes. I most of the time use whole wheat bread, so this is not the white bread. You can also use white bread as well. If you are going to use white bread and add milk, you can use corn flour or all purpose flour as well to use as a binding agent. Now I'm going to add few veggies in it. I have added corn, tomatoes, some bell pepper, onion. Now for seasoning, I have added simply salt, some red chili flakes, and some seasoning for pizza. You can also use chaat masala or any seasoning according to your taste. They taste really simply great. Now I'm going to spread it on the parchment paper and give it a square like shape, and then put on some cheese slices. You can also use the shredded cheese, but using shredded cheese will make it difficult to do a rectangular shape. If you are going to use like cutlass shape or any other shape, then you can use the shredded cheese. But if you are going to make rectangular stick like shape, then you have to use these cheese slices, and I think they taste better than that. Now I'm going to cut it in the required shape and then fry it on low to medium flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, the color will change and you can flip them and you can see how beautiful they are. I have made some sauce with them and I will show you how they look. Look at that. And trust me, they taste really great. And after that, we decided that today we are going to visit the library and spend some time together. So we got ready and I took all the things I needed for the library. The kids were very excited and they were very happy because in that library, it's very vast and big library. You can study and you can eat as well as far as you go clean up after that. There are a few rooms where you can sit and eat. Nobody is going to stop you for that. And from outside, you cannot eat, but still it's really great place to visit because it has special kids area where you can not just study, but you can also play there. And I think kids really love when they can play as well. They have screens there and they have these little tree houses, bunny houses, and a bridge and slides. And there are kids' book where they can study while they are playing. Look how cute they are, and it's really easy to take the kids there, and it's really nice and enlightening for the kids as well because this is how they know that books are really important. So it's already night because it's winter and the sun goes down really fast around 4:30. So we came back home and we were so tired, and while coming back home we bought a durum, which is shawarma from a Turkish shop. This is a shawarma with little fries and their special sauces with some jalapenos, pickled cucumber, pickled carrots, and that tastes really great. And thank you so much all for watching my vlog. If you like my vlog, don't forget to share it with your friends, and yes, feel free to subscribe my channel. I upload every other day, and thank you so much all for watching my videos and all the people who already have subscribed. And until next video, bye bye. Have a nice day.